Feel like your brain's running on low battery? Forgetting things mid-sentence? Struggling to stay focused? What if I told you there's a natural way to boost memory, sharpen focus, and feel mentally unbreakable? This isn't just another supplement. This is NeuroZoom, a game-changer in the world of cognitive health with a 35-in-1 formula designed to unlock your brain's full potential, without a prescription. NeuroZoom is complete support for healthy memory, laser-sharp concentration, and mental clarity. It's packed with 35 essential brain-boosting ingredients, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and herbs, each carefully chosen to work in synergy. And here's the best part, it's 100% clean. No harmful fillers. No dangerous stimulants. Non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, and non-habit forming. Let's talk results. Selenium, vitamin C and E, to defend your brain against toxins. Biotin and choline, fuel neural connections and improve recall. Bacopa and huperzine A, support long-term memory. L-glutamine, GABA and niacin, promote mental clarity, calm, and learning. Green tea extract, licorice root and zinc, boost mood, energy, and cognitive performance. This is the full spectrum of brain support, and you feel the difference fast. And if you act within the next 5 minutes, you'll unlock an exclusive one-time offer, up to 70% off on NeuroZoom and the Deluxe Upgrade Kit. That's a total package designed to keep you strong, sharp, and thriving. Plus, it comes with a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely amazed, you get every cent back, no questions asked. Ready to take control of your health and elevate your mental game? Click the link in the description below to grab NeuroZoom before the offer disappears. Your brain will thank you. And hey, if you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join the Chisel Chat fam for more powerful insights on health, performance, and total well-being. Chisel your mind. Chisel your life. This is Chisel Chat.